Zhao Lusi is a Chinese actress. She was born on 9 November 1998 in Chengdu, China. She has worked in several China series. She is one of the popular actresses in China. Lues has completed her graduation from Mingdao University. In 2020, Zhao starred in the xianxia romance drama Love of Thousand Years as a princess who seeks revenge for her fallen kingdom. She then starred in historical romance drama The Romance of Tiger and Rose as a scriptwriter who must survive after being trapped in her own script. The series was a hit and was praised for its interesting setup and plot. The same year, she starred in the romance drama Dating in the Kitchen, portraying a quirky chef. In 2019, Zhao played the female lead in the romance film Autumn Fairy Tale, based on the South Korean television series Autumn in My Heart. The same year, she starred in music romance drama I Hear You, period fantasy drama Prodigy Healer, and historical romance drama Love Better Than Immortality. Zhao entered the entertainment industry by participating in the selection for 2016's Supergirl hosted by Hunan TV. The same year, she began hosting the variety program Huo Xing Qing Bao Zhu. In 2017, Zhao made her acting debut with a supporting role in the web drama Cinderella Chef. The same year, she played a minor role as a nurse in the film City of Rock. In 2018, Zhao gained attention for her supporting role in the historical romance drama Untouchable Lovers. The same year, she played her first leading role in the time travel historical drama Oh My Emperor. The series gained a following online and led to increased recognition for Zhao. Zhao received the Newcomer Award at the Golden Bud, the third network film and television festival.